kanino ba yung desisyon? Kasi nga may nagsasabi, dapat mag-caucus kayo sa mga Senado, yun ang panawagan ninyo. Ang dating kasi sa amin ng mga pahayag ni Senate President Cheese, parang medyo unilateral yung kanyang desisyon. So, is it going to be a unilateral decision? Is it going to be a collegial decision on how soon the Senate will convene as an impeachment court? Senator.
Number one, ang sagot ko sa tanong mo, ang ganda nung pagka-praise mo ng issue, parang korte talaga eh. Yung whether or not, tama yun. Tama, eksakto, that's the real issue. Ang aking position, the Senate can convene even as an impeachment court even while on recess as a legislative body. It can and it should. Tama yun. And then it should because sabi ng Constitution, trial in the Senate shall forthwith proceed. Forthwith, immediately. Right away, without any delay. Yan ang meaning ng
Now
forthwith.
na.
So, agree po ako doon. Pero the Senate, alam ko rin naman ng Senate, it is not one man, it is not 5 people, it is not 10 people, it's a collegial body of 24. Right now 23 lang kasi
wala na si Senator
Angara naging secretary, but so it's a collegial body, and then under a democracy, alam naman natin anong basic rule when there is a collegial body, majority decision wins. So, concede ako dyan. So, kailangan lang, ang point ko lang, kailangan lang malaman namin ano yung majority position. Kaya nga logical ko na lang na proposal kay SP, kasi alam ko naman, hindi naman kami all senators caucus eh. Magmula nung nag-break kami as a legislative body, February 5. Kasi kung merong all senators caucus, kasama dapat ako doon. Wala naman akong alam na pinatawag, wala akong in-attendan, so wala pa. So yun ang request ko para malaman na, para makita ko rin saan ano ang opinion at posisyon ng majority. Pero surrender ako sa majority. Hindi ko kayang mag-rogue session ako dahil sayaw sa gusto nyo, itutuloy ko tong gusto ko. Hindi ganon kasi we are in a democracy. Alam ko I belong to the Senate, a collegial body. Therefore, persuasion tayo dyan. Mag-aapila tayo, argumento, apila. Ngayon, at the end of the day, yung majority decision wins.
Okay. So, Senator Coco, no, si Senate President Cheese doesn't seem faced by all this clamor. Hindi lang naman ikaw ang nanawagan sa kanya, pati sina Attorney Howard Calleja, si Chief Justice dati Corona, Carpio. Tapos meron din pong marami pa po no, na nanawagan po sa kanya. And firm po siya sa desisyon niya na he's not going to budge. So, who's going to break that impasse? Kasi the President also hasn't made any overtures na he plans to call Senate President Cheese para mag-convene, para to hold a special session. So, as it is now, there's an impasse. So, status ko tayo, si Senator Cheese Escudero po ang masusunod.
Kaya nga kailangan yung all senators caucus because only the majority can overrule or can tell the Senate President what to do. Pero habang si Senate President pa lang ang nagsasalita at hindi umaangal ang majority ng mga senador, ibig sabihin nun parang sang-ayon sila ron sa posisyon ni Senate President. Pero sana meron kaming all senators caucus na para makita ko ng sarili kong mata, marinig ko ng sarili kong mga tenga, ano yung talagang majority position.
Let's get together, Sunday 25, Sunday 25.